Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Here in the top, find an app called NotifyBuddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open, and move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. When it's ready, you'll see 4 different tabs. There's User, System, Active, and Settings. In User, you can enable any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can do the same thing, but with all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the Settings, you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. Watch out for the ads. And let's skip it. So here's a test button to see the LED lamp right here in the top left corner of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.